Well, hey YouTube. I woke up this morning to 250 subscribers and I just wanted to ask, what the hell are you all doing here? I started this channel a few years ago just for my own sake to record all my shenanigans with cars because I'd had a whole bunch of fun and interesting cars over the years and don't have any proof of it. So that's why I started this channel, and I know I don't have 250 friends and family, so it means some of you are legitimately subscribed and I don't get it. But thank you so much. It's very cool and maybe slightly disturbing that some people are actually watching the dumb things I'm doing with cars. But if there's anything that you guys are actually interested in and you'd like some content, I guess now I have subscribers, I have to pay attention. So if anybody wants me to look at anything in particular or take a direction in this channel that I haven't thought of, then please do speak up, because I want to do things that other people find interesting as well. So as much as I'll be playing around with my own stuff, if you want to direct what that is, then let me know. I know 250 is nothing in YouTube world, but given I wasn't trying for anything and just documenting my own interest, that it's quite cool. So thank you everyone for 250 subscribers. That's awesome.